Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make homemade chocolate chip cookies. Who doesn't love chocolate chip cookies? I have been trying so many recipes in the past few years, and this recipe is definitely my favorite one. I'm also going to figure out how much cost per cookie in this recipe. Before I make the cookie dough, I always like to get all my ingredients prepared. I got a bag of 12-ounce chocolate chips, a cup of granulated sugar, a cup of brown sugar, a cup of room temperature butter, 2.5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, a teaspoon baking soda, a teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and 2 room temperature eggs. First, we need to cream the butter. Room temperature butter in the mixture. While the mixture does the work, we can sift the flour with cornstarch. Stop the mixture, add our brown sugar. Mix the butter and brown sugar together. Mix well, and then stop the mixture, add the granulated sugar. Turn it back on. Now add our room temperature eggs. In this step, I like to stop the mixture and grab my spatula, scrape the butter from the side of the bowl and the bottom of the bowl. Just mix them better. Now time to add salt. We need a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, now time to add our flour. So I don't want my flours fly all over my counter, so I usually separate them 2-3 times and to add my flours in. Before I add my chocolate chips, I like to stop the mixture, grab my spatula, while scrape the cookie dough from the side of the container and the bottom of the container. Just make sure it mixed well. Turn it back on and slowly add my chocolate chips. That's it. Our chocolate chip cookie dough is done. Now, I'm gonna use this little ice cream scoop. Scoop spoonfuls of dough and place onto a parchment-lined baking tray. I made around 48 cookie dough in this recipe. And chill the scoop dough for at least an hour. Once chilled, I use a Ziploc bag to store them in the freezer. I can bake them anytime later if I'm craving for a cup of cookie. Preheat oven 325 degrees. Arrange the chilled cookie dough onto parchment-lined baking tray, leaving 3 inches between the cookies, and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Cool the cookies on the baking tray. Look at it, it's so soft. The chocolate chips just about to melt in your mouth. It's absolutely delicious. When I was calculating the price of all the ingredients, homemade chocolate chip cookies are actually cost less than I thought. Let's take a look. The flour only cost like 11 cents per cup. In this recipe, flour costs 27 cents, brown sugar 12 cents, granulated sugar 10 cents, $1.99 for the butter, $2.62 for chocolate chips, and 31 cents for the eggs. Add all those ingredients together. The whole recipe only cost $5.81. So divide to 48 cookies. Each cookie only costs 12 cents. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. If you like to try this recipe, leave the comment below. Let me know what do you think. See you next time.